If you have a house in Canton, Ohio, and you're thinking about selling at some point, or you're wanting to sell fast, easily, and conveniently and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses actively in Canton, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit on why people prefer to work with us here as a direct cash buyer over working with a traditional buyer who's using a real estate agent and they're using some type of mortgage to buy your house. The reason people like working with us when they're selling their house in Canton is we're a direct buyer and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And what that means is you don't have to fix anything up, you don't need to clean, you don't need to haul anything away. You simply can take anything that you want out of the house, leave anything that you don't want or don't need behind. We'll take care of it for you, and you never have to come out of pocket to make any repairs or alterations or anything like that for us to close on the property. Now, when you're working with a more traditional buyer, you know, the ones that are driving around with a real estate agent and they're counting on this mortgage or this type of loan, this home loan to qualify for in order to buy your house, there's a lot of hoops that you need to jump through because this lender that they're using, well, they're going to want to send through a formal inspector and they're going to take all day and nitpick the house. Then they're going to send through a formal appraiser, and hopefully the appraiser's having a good day because they could kill your deal at any time. And if that lender does not approve this transaction, well, they're going to cancel on you and they're going to leave you right back to square one, high and dry, and you just wasted a ton of time and you potentially wasted a lot of money. It does not have to be that way. You don't have to jump through hoops when selling your house in Canton, Ohio, and we're going to keep it extremely easy for you. So we buy the house in its as-is condition, and since we're paying cash, we can close on your timeline. And this is often overlooked, but very, very important, because if you need to close quickly or you want to close quickly, we can make it happen. We can close quick if you need to, or if you need something flexible. Maybe something's going on in your life where you got to set a future target date, or maybe there's family members involved, whatever the case may be. If you need flexibility, we could accommodate those needs as well. When you're working with a traditional buyer who's using a traditional lender or a traditional mortgage, well, you're closing on their timeline, because if they don't approve this thing, then it's never going to happen. So you're giving all your control away when working with a traditional buyer. And if this traditional buyer has a real estate agent they're working with, they're going to expect you to pay commissions. When you sell to us, there's no commissions whatsoever. There's no fees. We pay for absolutely everything. And that's why people love working with us. We have hundreds of reviews and positive references and testimonials. We've been around a long time and we're going to treat you fairly. So if you have a house in Canton, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, and you just want to know what your options are, or if you're thinking about selling at some point in the future, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Now, I know it says Columbus in the website name. It's because we were founded in Columbus, Ohio, but we are buying houses all over Canton, Ohio, all over Akron, Ohio, and all over the whole state of Ohio. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house that you're selling and then know more about the timeline in which you're looking to close. We're going to make a fair cash offer on your property, and if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. We're going to communicate transparently throughout this whole process and get this done for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. I want you to know there's never going to be some added pressure, fake urgency, and sales tactics, gimmicks of any kind. We're not here to play games with you. We're here to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what you are to us. We're here in Ohio, and we're going to treat you fair. This is not some call center. We're not a call center located in some foreign distant land trying to talk about their Ohio experience. They have no experience whatsoever. We are very experienced, and we have all the reviews and testimonials to prove it. So once again, if you have a house in or around Canton, Ohio, maybe you want to see what your options are, or you want to see what we can do, give us a call at 614 300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.